Hi, I'm David from Arbordale, and today we want to talk to you about a new product we're introducing called PhosArrest. PhosArrest is a phosphorus binder. It binds phosphorus in the water column, rendering it unavailable for algae or deep-rooted aquatic weeds to flourish. PhosArrest is harmless to people, plants, fish, and amphibians because it's really only two ingredients. It is oxides of iron and zeolite. The oxides of iron act as a weight to help the product descend through the water, and the zeolite is a naturally occurring mineral that acts like a phosphorus magnet. It pulls phosphorus in and binds it, rendering it unavailable. This is PhosArrest in its original container. It comes in 20 kilo or 5 kilo containers. It is a fine orangey red powder that gets mixed with water. And then it's applied with a backpack sprayer to the surface of the pond. Spray the entire surface liberally, and the phosphorus will descend through the water column, pulling in the phosphorus, binding it up, and rendering it unavailable. Now, phosphorus is for people who've experienced phosphorus blooms, algae blooms, excessive weed growth in the past. It does not cure bottom sludge, which is really the cause of those problems. PhosArrest should be used in conjunction with aquaspheres for a proper bottom remediation and pond program. PhosArrest is surface applied, and as such, you need to know the surface area of your pond. If you don't know, please feel free to reach out to us, and we'll be happy to put a plan together for you. PhosArrest is best applied first thing in the spring. That means until about the end of May. And it's a good idea to keep one on the shelf in case you have a phosphorus loading event like a torrential rain or a fertility event that brings more phosphorus into your pond. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us through our social media channels or by emailing us at info@arbordale.com. Thank you for your time, and it is time to tee up your pond treatment.